Ethical AI practices. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence helps doctors diagnose diseases, judges recommend fair sentences, and your phone knows exactly what you need before you even ask. But what if the AI is wrong? What if it's biased? What if it discriminates silently? Welcome to the urgent, fascinating world of ethical AI practices, where we're not just building machines, we're shaping human futures. Chapter 1: Why Ethical AI Matters. AI systems today make real-world decisions, from hiring and lending to policing and parole. But these systems are trained on human data, and humans? We're full of bias. What happens when a recruitment AI favors male candidates? Or when facial recognition fails to identify darker skin tones? Or when a predictive policing algorithm disproportionately targets certain communities? These aren't bugs, they're mirrors, reflecting society's flaws back at us, through code. And that's why AI ethics is not optional. It's the moral backbone of responsible technology. Chapter 2: The Pillars of Responsible AI. There are 5 core principles of ethical AI. Think of them as a compass. Transparency. Can we understand how the AI made its decision? Accountability. Who is responsible if things go wrong? Fairness. Is the system treating everyone equally? Privacy. Is personal data handled respectfully? Safety. Will the AI behave reliably and avoid harm? Miss any one of these, and the whole system can fail, not technically, but morally. Chapter 3: AI Bias, the Invisible Problem. AI bias is sneaky. It hides in the data we feed it, resumes from the past, arrest records, social media behavior. If the past was unequal, the AI learns to repeat it. A facial recognition system trained mostly on white male faces will struggle with women of color. A credit-scoring AI that's never seen rural users may flag them as unreliable. Bias doesn't always scream. Sometimes it whispers through patterns, statistics, and silence. That's why AI bias mitigation is key, using diverse datasets, testing outcomes, auditing algorithms, and including ethics from day one. Chapter 4: Building Ethical AI. What it takes. Building ethical AI isn't just about writing better code. It's about asking better questions. Who will this impact? What unintended consequences could arise? Are all communities represented in this dataset? Have we consulted ethicists, lawyers, or affected groups? Responsible AI needs human-centered design. It needs diverse teams, not just engineers, but sociologists, lawyers, activists. It needs ongoing audits, because ethical design is not a one-time thing. It needs governance, rules, reviews, and the courage to say no when an AI is unsafe. Chapter 5: Real-world examples. The good news? Organizations are waking up. Google now follows strict AI principles to avoid misuse. IBM created open-source tools for bias detection. OpenAI, yes, the team behind ChatGPT, stages phased rollouts to ensure public safety. Governments are stepping in too, from EU AI laws to India's responsible AI guidelines. It's a movement, but it's just beginning. Chapter 6: What you can do. Whether you're a developer, a policymaker, or just a curious user, you have power. Ask how AI decisions are made. Demand transparency in the apps you use. Support ethical companies and whistleblowers. Speak up when AI is unfair. Ethical AI is a shared responsibility, because the future isn't just machine-made, it's human-approved. AI can be brilliant, fast, insightful, powerful, but to be truly wise, it must also be ethical. The future of AI is not just about machines learning us. It's about us, teaching machines how to care. Ethical AI is not a tech feature, it's a human necessity.